Let me be as clear as I can be. When someone chants from the river to the sea, they are calling for the elimination of the Jewish state. When people have no right to safety, no right to sovereignty, no right to exist, history tells us exactly what happens. We've been there before, and within my lifetime. And when people chant globalized intifada, they're really saying, let's kill Jews everywhere. But you ever think that in Western democracies, and right here in the United States of America, politicians would be elected by attacking Jews, by glorifying violence against Jews, by making no excuse for it, by building entire campaigns around a single foreign policy issue and weaponizing it against Jewish communities right here at home?